drawing the dog. Dog's face is over here. Drawing the dog. Except those ones. Oh, don't touch them. Then there's these guys. Hey guys, today we're gonna open day number 16 and who's here? What? Ooh, it's a Hello Kitty donut. Ooh. What does this say? Look under the tree. Bonus. Whoa. Under the tree bonus. Wow. Oh my gosh.
What is it?
What is it? It looks so
Boy, let's have a stick roll.
cool. Thank you. Wow.
Wow. Good morning, everyone. It is 10:33. We're dropping Sterling off at her grandma's house, her grandma and papa's house, so we can go finish Christmas shopping because it's really hard to shop when she's always with us. So we asked her if she'd go down to grandma and papa's house this morning, and she said she would. So we're gonna go finish Christmas shopping, and I'm wearing this sweater because I've been wearing the same sweater in the winter for like the past 2 years. I got it 2 years ago for Christmas. So this year I told my husband I need a coat or a jacket. So, yeah. So I just dug this one out of the closet. And this little miss is over here. She scratched her cheek. I've been trying to keep gloves on her, but she don't have them on all the time. Like she didn't wear them last night to bed, so she scratched herself. Guess where we're at?
Are you asking me?
No, I'm asking these people.
Boy, you got some crummy fries, didn't you?
Yeah, I threw them away. We're at Dunkin' Donuts. Hey guys! We've been shopping. Okay, so we went to a few places already and I bought a few, just a few things. Got something for my son and a few stocking stuffers and stuff like that. But on the way out this morning we did check our P.O. box, and this person messaged me and told me, or asked, I guess told me, that she wanted to send something for Sterling. And I'm gonna share, there's gonna be a link down below to her Etsy shop, which she makes super cute things, and she makes these little things for your elves on the shelf, or elf on the shelf. So she sent us a few of these things, and I'm going to put them out tonight, and hopefully our elves will do something with them. I hope so. So she sent us this. Oh my gosh, look how cute that is. And never mind my fingernails, because that's why I don't wear nail polish, is because it always chips off. I don't have time to upkeep nails. I wish I did. So yeah, it's been flaking off, and I had the nail polish remover and stuff out this morning because I was going to take it off, but of course we wanted to get an early start because we don't have much time, and so yeah, enough about that. But actually I'm going to show the card right now. So we got this cute Yoda. It has a little mask, a lightsaber, and a cape. So I'm going to put those out tonight, and hopefully our elves will do something with them. I'm hoping. Hold on. Okay. But I'm not going to tell Sterling. I won't tell her until later. But here it is. Their Etsy shop. I'm just going to put it right down here so you guys can see it. So thank you so much. It's the bus singers. Thank you so much. That's so sweet of you. And then we got Darth Vader. And then we got 4 different masks in here. There's Chewbacca, a Stormtrooper, C-3PO, and R2-D2.
We got to, I think we got to
He's on
dress
phone.
on Monday. And what else?
Hey, you know what? I saw this thing where people were pushing their face in the snow and they could see their face print in
I
it.
saw that too. It's like a woman.
Yeah.
And then when she pulled back, she looked like Jabba the Hutt. It looked like a man's face print, did it not?
Yeah, we're here at the fabric store. Sterling wants some foam to make squishies, so we went into the fabric and foam store. Look at this, look at this, look at this slow rise. She wanted some memory foam to make squishies. She's been watching a lot of YouTube channels where they make their own squishies, so picked this up. I really don't know how big it is. Probably 2 by 2 maybe. Yeah. But it was $12.50. But she wanted some for right now, so I think I'll just cut a chunk off and give it to her, and then she wants to make her own squishies, so the rest I'm gonna give to her for Christmas, cause yeah. But I was just telling my husband, I was like, I spent so much on her. I mean, I probably shouldn't have. But it's like I see things and I'm like, oh yes, like today I saw this and I had to get this other thing. And I had to get it for her. Like, she needs that. One more stop at Target. Oh, y'all see my new shoes? Got new shoes. Okay guys, I have a surprise for Sterling. So I'm going to catch her reaction when she comes in.
Hey, Pam, how are you?
Hey, ma'am.
This for New Bella? This for New Bella?
Yeah. What happened to my elves? Crazy! This is my crazy elf's new girlfriend. I made him.
Oh.
Look at the hat. I did a good job on the hat.
Yeah, feels like you hot glue that to her head.
Yeah. It comes off, so I tried it already. Okay. Dad. Look.
Look at your cat's got a bug.
A what?
A bug.
Ew.
Go over there, look.
I got Quincy a what?
Hi.
She has a bow and a hat on.
Well, boom.
I gave her a crazy choker.
Did you see this?
Yeah!
What is it?
Look, Christmas jammies. No Christmas pants.
Yeah.
And
Now don't eat all that at one sitting.
Thank you. How much was this?
What is
It
it?
wasn't 65 cents.
12,
It wasn't 65 cents.
$12.50? That's how much it was?
Yeah.
Really?
Is that pretty good for some squishies?
No. You got a rip-off.
Okay, so I went to the P.O. box and you got 3 cards.
Yeah.
I already opened that one, so you can read that one. Open it and read it.
It has Santa on it. Family, Sterling, and family. It's Christmas time all throughout the land. Here's hoping that yours is wonderful and grand. Merry Christmas, the Bessinger family. I think that's how you say it.
Okay.
Thank you.
I'm trying to open these cards for her. She has trouble opening cards.
I cannot open cards. Ooh.
I think that was just protecting it.
Wow. Sharing the joy.
Ooh, that looks handmade.
It does. It looks cool. I think it might be.
Yeah.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. And congratulations on your new bundle of joy. Sterling, it has been so fun watching you get ready to be a big sister. Thank you for... What is this?
Blogs.
Oh, thank you for your vlog. Jennifer Ramirez. Thank you. This looks cool.
Here, let's show it, please. Ooh.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. She's over here. Okay, here. This one's from Rosalinda.
Ooh. The magic of Santa is just a wish away. Uh-oh.
Oh, I love it. It's sparkly.
Congrats on the beautiful baby. She is little Sterling's twin. I hope you guys have a very Merry Christmas. God bless. Wishing you a very Merry Christmas and the happiest of New Year. I gotta buy puffy paint because this is the paint it needs. What colors am I gonna get? Maybe I could get rainbow.
They're about $1 a piece. Puffy paint.
I may pick out a few colors.
You might pick out one color.
Yeah. Ta-da!
Hey guys, we're now at Walmart.
Hi.
She's with us. We gotta pick up stuff for tomorrow for our little thing at church. We're gonna make guacamole again.
And it's the play.
Do you know your part?
Nope.
Who are you playing?
Miss Katura.
Miss Katura.
Don't forget to send us a Christmas card and we'll send you one back. Merry Christmas!